In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, mastering the ability to efficiently navigate your charts is crucial. Now, sometimes you're going to need a broader perspective, and zooming out is a fantastic way to achieve that. Let's explore a few methods that will allow you to zoom out effortlessly. Firstly, we'll discuss using keyboard shortcuts, a quick and efficient way to zoom out. If you're on a Windows or Linux system, simply press Ctrl followed by the down arrow key. For Mac users, you'll want to use Command along with the down arrow key. This is designed to zoom your chart out horizontally, which means it will expand your view along the timescale. This can be incredibly useful when you're trying to get a bigger picture or fit more data points over a longer timeline on your screen. Next, let's talk about utilizing the toolbar's Zoom button. Located near the top of your TradingView chart, you'll find a handy minus icon. Clicking this minus sign allows you to zoom out in small, incremental steps. This method is particularly helpful if you prefer using your mouse and like to have precise control over the amount you zoom out. Sometimes a little step-by-step adjustment is all you need to achieve the perfect view. So feel free to click that zoom out button as many times as required until you reach the desired look at your chart. Finally, there's an option to reset your zoom entirely or fit all visible information within your chart window. For Windows users, the shortcut is Alt+R, and if you are on a Mac, use Option+R. This nifty trick comes into play when you've zoomed in and out several times and maybe the chart looks a bit cluttered or out of proportion. By pressing these keys, TradingView will automatically adjust your view to ensure all the data is neatly packed back into your window, giving you a clear and comprehensive view of everything in one go. To sum up, getting the right view on your chart doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you choose to use keyboard shortcuts, the toolbar zoom button, or decide to reset the zoom with the Fit All feature, there are flexible options for you to explore based on your preference and need at the time. Feel free to try each method and see which one works best for your trading style. Remember, understanding and managing your chart's view will enhance both your analysis and trading experience.